calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be
I love
anything
with
in
all
the
the
world,
music
but I
and the
can never be
diamonds.
you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people
Hi, good day guys. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Welcome into the building. Oh, I'm fighting a cold. Anyway, so glad you're here. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot up in the comment section for your girl, me. I am Star Pollyanna. Pleasure meeting you guys. So if you did not see my last video, I'm going to link right here, and on that video you can go check out how I did my faux locs. So today I got up, took my shower, put back on my I love comfy clothes in the house, so I'm staying in this just for a little bit because I'm feeling not too well, so a lot of this video is probably going to be sped up, but I'm going to do some upkeep on my faux locs that I did. It's been about a week and a half maybe now. They're still holding really good, but I just want to do a little bit of upkeep on it. So this video is going to be really short and sweet. As I like to say, go do all that good stuff, like, comment, subscribe, do all of that, and then get some sort of cocktail, something to drink, and enjoy this content. So I wanted to put in some pieces in my hair, some decorative things. You know, your girl love a little pop, pop, pop. So I'm going to show you some stuff that I picked up, and I'm going to tell you where I picked it up as well. So I got these things at my local beauty supply store. I got this just for the diamonds. And I got these rings. I like them. I already put like one. I had one that I was testing on, and I put it in the hair already. And I think I'll probably put one more maybe. I picked some of, it's like a stretch cord. This I picked up at Walmart. I picked this here. It is a shred creative thing that can go onto one or two pieces. I want to do an accent color. I picked up one of these big caps so you can sleep at night with all this here. It's not a lot. It isn't even heavy or anything, but it's just a lot. So to put it up at night to go to sleep. I got myself some of these here at my local beauty supply. And it's those gold decorative things that is on the hair. I just want to put one or two more. See, just one. I just want to add a few more. I also have some colorful ones, but I'm not going to go with all these colors. The only color I'm going to go is that pop of pink. That's my pop of color that I'm going to be using. I also have some of this to do like a little braided down on one or two. And then I have some crosses and some charms just to put on. And some of these charms have like little sayings on it, which is really nice, I think. Yeah, I think one of them said, I think I got it for this particular one. This particular one here. It said something. It says, okay, let me see what it says here. It says, love you, love you, love you, love yourself, love you, love you, love yourself. So I think it was really nice to add it to myself because, guys, I'm on that journey of self-love. It's important for us to understand it's important to love ourselves. I oftentimes give you guys all sorts of great encouragement here. If you don't love you, who's going to love you? So you gotta love yourself first before anybody else can give you any kind of love. Sidebar. So let's get started on what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put all these things out here, lay it out, and that's what I got. I picked up at my local beauty supply store. Now you can pick these up at Amazon as well. You can pick them up on AliExpress. You can pick it up on DHgate. A lot of these things here you can pick up online, so you don't necessarily have to go to a beauty supply store if you don't have one in your area. Okay, I also have some thread. Did I not buy shells? I think I purchased some shells. I also have some thread because I like to sew some on, like the one of these I think I put below here and I sewed on. But anyway, no, this one I used a coil, one of the, but you can sew them on so that way it can secure that it's not going to move. So I'm just going to do a little bit of upkeep. I'm going to speed up some of this video. Okay, guys? And also, before I go, and you just enjoy the music, also, like, because I'm a hairstylist, I'm going to, like, some of the other hair and the curly pieces that came out just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut some of those off, just upkeep the hair more or less. And excuse how I sound. I'm fighting allergies want to bother me, and I don't have no time for that. You know how it is. This time of the year, ugh.
I can't let you go. There's no way. I'm already still burning. So hold me close. Now, baby, I do what I'm told. Still learning to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm, no longer wishing. You're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, yeah. We could roll the dice. Act like you surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight. Jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. The way that you roll, I'm falling. So I never fall. I'm ready to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm, no longer wishing. You're my lucky strike, yeah. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, yeah. We could roll the dice, yeah. Act like you surprised, but you already know. You're my lucky strike, and I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike.
So guys, I'm gonna finish it and then I'll come back in when I'm completed the entire look. So I am done, guys. Yes, I am done. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put up some shots on the screen right now with it in the back. I hope you guys like this one. This is what the hair looks like. After I put the ornaments, I put some this pink here. I also went in and I put another lighter pink. Hope you guys can see that. Hope the lights here doing it justice. A lighter pink with some shells and a gold at the bottom. On this side, I did another pink. I did some gold with some beads at the bottom. Different areas in the hair. Let me show you what the back looks like a little bit. As you can see, hope you guys see well. That's what it looks like. And I'm happy. I'm content. I think this is enough. This is all I have left over. These are from Walmart. This thread is what I use here. It was really nice. I don't want to put too much color in the hair. That's just my thing. So this is what I have left over from all of the other things that I bought. So I hope you guys like this video. Now I can do all sorts of lovely other styles with it. I love here with all the beads. Looking at the diamonds. I hope you guys like this one today. Simple, short, sweet video. Nothing too much, too long. Just me decorating the faux locks in my hair. Until we meet again next week, I'll see you. Go on, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Tell me if you'll do your faux locks like this, if you think you'll ever wear faux locks or not. It's the softer one and it's not too heavy, so I really like that. I really like that. So now I can put it up and it just... I love it. I'll see you guys next week. Follow me on my handles. It's Instagram and TikTok. A lot of short form content comes out there first before it even comes to YouTube. And don't forget, same place, same time next week Sunday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If you didn't see how I did the hair, I'm going to put up links behind. Go watch that video after. You will appreciate that as well. Bye guys.